Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the world of Slack, and specifically, how to tag users in a Slack message. First things first, open up your Slack application and navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to tag someone. The reason we do this is to ensure we're communicating in the right space and with the right people, which is a fundamental principle of effective communication on Slack. Next up, start typing your message into the text input box at the bottom of your screen. Now that we've done that, it's time to tag a user. To do this, you type the @ symbol followed by the username of the person you want to tag. So for instance, if you wanted to tag me, you'd type @tutorialmaster. This helps us because it sends a notification to the person you're tagging, ensuring they see your message quickly and can respond in a timely manner. But wait, let me explain why this matters. Tagging someone in a Slack message is an effective way to grab their attention, especially in a busy channel where messages can get lost easily. It's a little like tapping someone on the shoulder in a crowded room. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes when you tag someone. Slack notifies the tagged user with a ping sound, and their All Unread section will highlight your message. This makes it easier for the user to find and respond to your message. Finally, press Enter to send your message. Once it's sent, you'll see the tagged username highlighted, and they'll receive a notification. And that's it. You've successfully tagged a user in a Slack message, a simple yet effective tool for ensuring your messages are seen and responded to. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, effective communication is just a tag away. So keep practicing, and you'll be a Slack tagging pro in no time.